In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the auto login feature of WP Fusion with Thrivecart. Hi, Danica here. So once you have WP Fusion installed, under Advanced, there's a option for auto login and tracking links. Here you can see that Thrivecart auto login. You need to check that and then save the settings. And then there's a link here, this one. So that points in this page. So this is the format that you can use. Now, in this example, I'm not going to include the apply tags, but if you want, you can also do that. So I'm going to follow this format in Thrivecart. So in Thrivecart, I've already set this up. So let's edit one of the product. Under fulfillment, you need to send or change that to send them to a URL. And then you enter the URL here. So website link, WPF action is Thrivecart, and then access key entered here. You can get the access key under general settings, scroll down, and then under webhook, there should be an access key. So once you have entered this, click the save and we can now test this one. So I have a test page here. Okay, so let's go ahead and test. Let me just fill in this information. So that cart right now is set to test mode, so I can just use a dummy or bogus card. So I'm just gonna enter that here. I'm gonna complete the order. Now, after completing the order, this link is gonna be your auto login. So click that one, and then I'm now pointed and log into the site. So if I go directly to the dashboard, I can confirm that I'm logged in under that account that I just signed up to. So I hope this video helps. If you have any question regarding the auto login feature of WP Fusion and Thrivecart, feel free to comment that down below. And try my best to answer that maybe in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.